Hey team, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial video of basic Form 1. So if you need a little extra help while learning the form or need something more than just watching a form over and over again to learn it, this video is going to have some tips and tricks on knowing which ways to turn, how many moves to go in which direction, and the basic setup of the form. I'll be talking you through the form, what the stance is, and how the blocks should start. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, team. So we're going to start in right position, toes turn a little bit in, hands and fists by our waist. First move, we're moving our left leg to the left. Arms are going to come to the opposite shoulder in an X motion, turning into our front stance, low blocking, hand and foot should land at the same time. So if we start here, we're going to walk and face that first move. For two, we're going to start forward and punch. Then, whatever hand moves right, you drop that leg. That was the leg that's going to be moving. Or you're going to be pinky side whenever there's a go again. So move that leg all the way around, low blocking the opposite direction, stepping forward, and punching. So we put in the bottom of our eye. Now we're going to move down the center. We're going to exit our opposite shoulder, shifting that front leg over, low block to the front. And then we do 3-step punches, finishing up our group of 4. 1, 2, 3. And this is going to be our yell, so we're going to key on here. Since we've had a yell here, now is when we're going to switch up which leg moves. You're going to stick your thumb out, and that's going to indicate the direction you're going to go after a yell. And your back leg is going to be the one to move, and this only happens in this form after a yell. So we're going to shift that back leg all the way around, low blocking again, just like the beginning of the form. Then stepping forward and punching. Now we're back on track. Front leg's going to move hands toward the pinky side, step low block, and punch. Now we're trying pinky side again, going back down the middle, just like the beginning of the form. Low block, step punch. 1, 2, 3, and two your yell. Now we're going thumb side again, so stick your thumb out. Back leg moves, big turn, low blocking, step punch. Back to the pinky side, low block, and step punch. No yell here. And then you return to right position. And that is basic form 1. Alright, so that was basic form 1. Just a few tips and tricks when you're going through basic form 1 to kind of help you figure it out. Like I said in the video, whenever you yell, you're going to turn towards your thumb side. So if you stick out your thumb from that punch, that's the direction you'll turn. Whenever you stick out a thumb, that's when your back leg's going to move. Any other move, you're going to go pinky side, so towards that pinky, and it's going to be your front leg that moves. Also, this form is set up in what we call an I pattern. So if you think of a capital I, the letter, you have a straight line at the bottom, going straight down the middle, and then another line at the top. You're going to always go in that I pattern for this form, going left, right to make the bottom of your I, straight down the middle for 4, going back, left, right, back down, left, right is the way you're going to turn. It's also, if you're a math person, it goes in groups of 4. So you'll go 2 to the left, 2 to the right. That's going to be your 4 for the bottom line. 4 down the middle, 2 left, 2 right. 4 down the middle, 2 left, 2 right. So if you ever lose your spot, you can always do a little bit of math real quick. Or if numbers help you with your form, count out your numbers and know which move goes with which number. But you do not have to know what number goes with which. That's just some students have. It helps them a little bit to know what number goes with which. And your yell is always going to be that last punch when you're going straight down the middle. So that third punch, that's going to be your key out. It's going to let you know when to turn as well. Thumb side, big turn. Alright, well that is basic form 1. I hope this helps, guys. So practice, and I'll see you in class.